Do you know that you can also listen to music from within your Emacs? Now, there is a mode called MPC. Let us say you're working on a document and you feel like listening to music. You can change, or you can basically use a mode called MPC. And the moment you do it, you will be presented with this interface. And this interface is basically something similar to the NCMP CPP. So I talked about NCMP CPP recently, where you can use that particular client to connect to your MPD server. You can do the same thing using Emacs. Of course, it is a bit simpler and you don't really have all those options, but it is quite okay in case you just want to listen to music. So you basically can use this mode, and the moment you use that mode, you will be presented with these different buffers already created for you and presented in nice windows. So you can change between these, and this is of course your main list of songs. Of course, you can filter based on a specific album or artist. So this is something that you can do in case you are too much in love with Emacs. So you can even listen to music. I prefer using NCMP CPP because I like the options, all those features, and I'm actually quite used to NCMP CPP uh, because I am using it for a long time and I am a bit attached to it. I feel comfortable using it, but because I quite like Emacs and I use org mode every day, I always feel assured that in case I want to listen to music from within Emacs and I want to listen to music which is stored on my MPD server, I can do that using just Emacs. So this is something that I wanted to share with all of you, and I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.